Why do I have a feeling that this might turn into a failure, like huge failure? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is such an impromptu video because I did not plan to film this, but here we are. So today's plan is to color my hair, and yeah, let's do it. Okay, so let me give you a brief before view. So this is what it looks like before coloring. Now as you can see, it's already a little brownish and a little reddish, I'd say. Length wise ये और भी बड़ा था, but I just trimmed my hair. I mean my mother did it, so that I don't need to waste my hair color. Okay, तो हम क्या use करने वाले हैं? This is very interesting. Now I wanted to color my hair for a long time, but मुझे ना तो opportunity मिला ना like सही time नहीं आया basically. अभी हम salon जा भी नहीं सकते और मुझे जाना भी नहीं है, because why would I waste so much of money? And मुझे वैसे भी एक permanent color चाहिए भी नहीं. I just want something not very temporary and something not very permanent. And today we are going to use this Garnier Color Naturals. Also, this video is not sponsored by Garnier, just a FYI. And it's in the shade 4.20 Wine Burgundy. I'll link it in the description box below. I bought it off Amazon. So let's do it. I am super excited. I am. सबसे पहले तो wear something that you won't mind being stained. And now let's develop everything in a bowl. So it comes with cream hair colorant, and then there is developer milk, and it also comes with post color conditioner and gloves and like what is it called, instruction manual, instruction leaflet. So let's go through it once.
2,000 years later.
I'm a little nervous though. Okay, so it says 30 to 45 minutes रखना है अपने बालों पे, but I'm gonna leave it at least an hour or more than an hour because 30 minutes में कुछ नहीं होता है, मैंने देखा है. Okay, so before applying it on your hair, you should apply some kind of petroleum jelly on your hairline so that आपके forehead पे नहीं लगे, and अगर लगे भी so you can wipe it. I did not bring a mirror, so I'm gonna look into the viewfinder. Why do I have a feeling that this might turn into a failure, like huge failure? I just hope it doesn't end up as a failure.
Three days later.
Sun is setting and let me show you what my hair looks like, but I'm not sure if you really can hear me and if you really can see because on camera it doesn't show the maroon color. I don't know why, but it just doesn't show it. I'm sure you can't see the maroon color, and I don't know, it got all cloudy. Can you see that? Yeah, it got all cloudy all of a sudden, but yeah, it looks pretty maroon. Okay, so it's past 2 days, I guess, and I'm sure you cannot see on the camera how the color turned out because I don't know. Seeing the color on camera is very difficult. Nobody can actually. But in person, let me tell you how it looks like. I don't know, you can't really see. So like
the kind of burgundy shade you're seeing right now, in real it looks a little more intense than this. And I'm so sorry if you can hear some background noise because there's construction work going around. My hair is kind of burgundy, and I'll try to put some pictures where you can see the burgundy color more intensely. But yeah, it has turned out to be a good choice, I would say. Now I would like to say, I would like to give you some guidelines if you're doing this. Number one is don't put it in a bun like I did. So what happened was my crown area got the color very prominently, but in the lens it's not that prominent comparatively, but still I am kind of liking the whole vibe. I love my hair right now. I love it. Secondly, I would suggest you to go for the powder ones, the one that doesn't come with milk and then developer which you need to mix. Go for the powder one which has powder and you need to add some water to it, because I feel like those doesn't make your hair look a little wig sort of. Like, my hair doesn't feel like a wig right now, but my hair is naturally very smooth and silky. Now when I used it, came out like a wig. As I said, this is 2 days later, so it doesn't feel as wig like as it used to on the very first day. Other than that, I'm loving my hair. If anyone wants to do this, go for it. So yeah, that was a very random video, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and all of that.